Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of the JustFit workout app. In order to do so, here we are at justfit.app, and according to their homepage, you can get in shape with JustFit. JustFit is your go-to fitness app with personalized workouts for home or gym. From quick sessions to full routines, it's suitable for all fitness levels. Get fit your way with the JustFit app. You can download that on the App Store or you can get it on Google Play. You get home workout videos where you can customize your fitness routine with free step-by-step videos designed for all fitness levels and muscle groups. You have workout plans carefully tailored to meet each individual's unique fitness goals and needs. You could build healthy habits anywhere, anytime with JustFit, the #1 at-home workout app. Creating a healthier version of yourself is now at your fingertips. It's the all-in-one fitness app. Achieve your fitness goal with our personalized routine. Join 26.8 million JustFit users who have already made it happen. And again, you can download that at the App Store or Google Play. Build your self-confidence, increase your energy, improve your overall health. They offer high-powered workouts for fitness enthusiasts, but also specialized lazy workouts for those who prefer to exercise from the comfort of their home or even their bed. You can dive into articles about balanced eating, nutritious recipes, fitness tips, and innovative workout ideas. And there are over 12 million 5-star ratings on the App Store and Google Play. But let's ask Cider AI what it thinks. Cider is an extension for your Chrome browser, and we can just ask Cider here what Cider thinks. And according to Cider, JustFit app has a user-friendly interface, personalized workout plans, progress tracking features, and includes a variety of exercises for different fitness levels and integration with wearable devices. It does have some premium features that require a subscription, and there's limited nutrition guidance compared to specialized diet apps. Occasional app crashes have been reported as well, but overall, JustFit is a solid fitness app for beginners and intermediate users looking for guided workouts and progress tracking. For advanced training or detailed nutrition plans, you might want to consider supplementing it with other apps. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on the link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.